back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lauren Hernandez, and today my hair's really messed up because I just woke up. Well, I didn't just wake up, I just didn't have time to do my hair. So today I did my doll's hair, like very pretty colors, like purple, pink, blue, orange, or you could see it right here. There's her hair. The lighting is really bad because it's really bright, so I'm going to try to do it from here. Sorry, these are just tissues. So yeah, her hair's like this, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY like headband for your doll, for your American Girl doll or your Generation doll. So I have Brittany here today. Her name is Brittany. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing a DIY a DIY headband for her. Right now, I took off her clothes before I did her hair because I didn't want to ruin her clothes by coloring it. So what you're gonna need is a wipe or a tissue, but the tissue is easier to break. Like it's fragile, more fragile than a wipe. So I suggest you guys get a wipe, stretch it out. Don't stretch it out too much. Then you're gonna want to fold it. Wait a minute. Let me get another one. Don't do that. Okay, so just get a wipe. Leave it like this, but just open it up a little more. And then stretch it out just like this. Okay, so now get your doll. You could even do this to little dolls if you cut the wipe. You could even do this to smaller dolls. So, okay, so now I'm just gonna grab the two ends of the wipey and then do a knot. And don't just do one knot, do like 3 of them. 1, 2. Well, you know what? 2 is fine, but if you want to, you could do 3. I'm gonna do 3. There. So that's how it's gonna look. So that's what I did. But then you're gonna want to grab some tape, cut it like about this much, and then grab the loose pieces so it doesn't look so weird. Grab the loose pieces and then tape them together. Hold on. I'm gonna grab the loose pieces and tape it around like this. Hold on. Tape it around. One like that, another one like that. So now that's how one side looks, but we're not done because we still gotta tape this part right here. So we're just gonna grab a little bit more tape. That's the same size. Now we're just gonna do the same thing. And do the same thing to the other side. Try to get the same amount of tape that you done for the past 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's a little bit hard to tape it because it might just get off. So now I'm just gonna grab some more and then tape it around like that. Excuse me. So now there's still just one more piece that is loose. I'm just gonna tape that one and then we're done. And once you're done with that, you could just leave it like that, or since we're gonna do a headband, just bring it up to her head. Oh, bring it up to her head. It might take a little bit of time to do it. Okay, now it's almost to the head. So there, now you have a DIY headband for your doll. And it's very cute. And you could just leave it white, or you could color it any color you would like. And the reason why we need to do the knots is because so you need to tie it up so it could be a headband, and also so it could have that, and then so it looks very pretty. So the reason why I painted it, well, I didn't paint it, I put a washable marker because I don't want to keep it like that forever. I put more up here so it could look prettier. And it did, but there's some in the back. Okay, so that's how to make a DIY headband. You could even do it to yourself, but then you're gonna need help by like another person to like put the tape and tie it. But if you're gonna do it to yourself, you might wanna stretch it out a little bit more. So yeah, you could even do it to your dog, but don't. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm not going to because I don't want to hurt him by accident or tape his hair, her fur. So now, look. So when I comb it, you could see a lot of the color. So let me show you. See, there's a lot of color now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys do this DIY. And I hope you guys do this DIY whenever you get a chance or if you want to. And comment down below if you guys want to see more DIY videos. This is actually my first. So, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the like button if you guys love DIYs. Bye guys!